Hey you guys, it is Adrian and welcome back to my channel. So, I am already late. It is Nativity aka the feast of the birthday of Mother Mary, and right now I have to go to mass. I had to be there at 7:45 and I didn't sleep the whole night because I had pain. Both my arms are aching. I got two injections this side and one injection this side. That's because my dog bit me. And in this video, we are going to get ready and I'm going to defend my dog in every way possible because I really don't think it was his fault. So, without wasting time, let's get ready. I'm already late. We need to rush. This is the particular dress that I'm wearing. I'll put a picture here and it's from Little Box. Now, um, I'm gonna go change and come because we don't have that much time to go in detail about everything. But yeah, we'll just wear this and come. So, starting off with why my dog bit me. My dog is a little possessive, and I was apparently he and Zoro are. So Zoro was on my this hand, and then Kalu was on this hand, and both were on my hands were like this, and both were on me. And Zoro is very jealous. Okay, she doesn't like anybody with me but her. So she was trying to push Kalu that side, and Kalu thought I would apparently leave him and catch Zoro. So he tried to hold my hand with his mouth because his hands were on me, and that happened. And he bit me then. Okay, and I did not go to pull my hand because I knew if I did, it would like it he would bite even more. So I let him bite, and then I was like, okay, after he bit, I removed my hand, and like one child, I went to the washroom to put water, and the amount of pain I felt in my bones, I cannot explain to you guys. That was some next level kind of pain. And then I told Kalista, all that happened. And after that, I told my house people, and them being them, one second, them being them, they Indian parents shouted at me for getting bit by the dog. Okay, shouted at me like, why did you have to play with the dog? And after all that was done, then they were all against my dog, and then they took me to the hospital. And I told Kalista, if you don't come, I'm not going because I'm literally scared of injections. You asked me to get 500 tattoos, 100 piercings, I will do it. But injection, that is not happening for me. But then, however, yeah, I took injection and all that happened. And because of that, I just slept for 4 hours last night, and right now I'm super late, so I will just do my hair and get back to you guys. I've already applied my sunscreen, skincare is done, applied the foundation, I'll do my hair and get back. So my hair is done and my hands are literally paining, but I have to do makeup. By the hairstyle, I'm going to be keeping it very simple and doing the clean girl makeup because we have very less time and we have to finish because every year this feast I am always late. So this time I have to be there on time. So we're going to do the clean girl makeup. And also about this dress, the dress that I'm wearing right now, it is from Little Box, and I'm sure most of you all might know what Little Box, what brand Little Box it is. It also did come on Shark Tank. They did such a scam with me that I'm going to be posting a whole ass YouTube video about what happened, what issues I faced. Moreover, one good thing about whatever happened is I really like this dress. Otherwise, I would be so mad that I lost money because obviously I'm paying for something and then there is something else is going on. It's not okay. Okay. So I think the blush is a little too much. Never mind. That I am going to be, I don't do the eye makeup with the Clean Girl aesthetic, but today I want to just put this shimmer, so I'm just gonna go with it. This is the shimmer. I'm just gonna apply it like this. Mascara, this is the most important thing. I am late. Why does this have to happen right now? Like, I'm literally late. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using these two lipsticks, the lip liner and the basic lipstick. That was not the right shade for me. My gloss is missing. I think it's downstairs. Again, I have to run down. Why? God, why? Let me just get my gloss. I searched down. I didn't get my gloss. I searched up. I didn't get it. Then it was in my college bag. I don't know how it did it reach there, but we have the gloss. But before that, for the accessories, I am going to. I don't think I'm going to wear a chain because I don't think it's important. I will be wearing these gold hoops because I think they would go well. Oh, my hand is paining. Like literally, look at my hand. My dog bite. And he's so guilty after that. After that, he came to me and he's doing all shele mangane, but my grandfather showed him because he bit him. That happened. Okay, time for the gloss because the gloss makes everything 100 into 100 times prettier. So look at that. That is what I was talking about. Thinking about me every night. Oh, Adrian, you're late. No time for all this. Makeup is done. Hair is also done. I just did the bun thing and eyebrows. I'm not gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'm gonna keep it like not too dramatic because eyes I've already put shimmer, which I don't really do. But yeah, the rest everything is fine. The outfit is outfitting, you guys. It has a slit here, by the way. I thought it was full length, but I unpad I couldn't read, and then it came slit. But no problem. I really like it. I might just stitch this in the future because I want it as a, I like it as a long full ass frock, so I might just stitch it. But this is my outfit. We are kind of ready. Everything is done. Makeup is done. Outfit is done. I have to go. I'm super late. I'm not like I have 10 minutes, so I'll read aram se. But yeah, we are ready, and right now it's time to go. I have to go and ask my grandfather to drop me now. I'll meet you guys in after the mass or like in middle. I don't know. I just record a few glimpses, but yeah. Bye. I'm all ready. This is what I look like. I've worn my basic white heels. I don't know why it looks like I'm wearing lenses, but I'm not. And I need to go because I'm already late. And I'll be vlogging the whole day, like the lunch part and all. Small glimpses. So let's go. My grandfather dropped me behind because the procession was going on. He's like, you go in the procession. And my friends are in the church. I'm walking to church and I can't walk because of my heels. You guys, I'm already home and in the church, more than wishing everybody happy feast, everybody's asking me how's my hand because my mom has told the entire Jippo that my dog bit me, so that happened. Now I'm gonna change and then we're gonna have corn, that is paisa, which we'll have like we get a grain, we put that grain in that and then we have it and then we're gonna have food. And today it's veg, so I will show you guys because this is the only day where I, Kalisha, Alden, we three sit together and have food, so I'm gonna show you guys. I've removed my makeup and it's still 12:30. 1 o'clock we are going to eat
prayer. After that, we are going to eat in leaf. Vanas
leaf, nahi banana leaf, yeah.
Yeah, vanas.
And also veg today. But I got news that my grandfather has cooked very atrangi things today, so I need like different kinds of idlis. So I will show it to you guys. I'm really hungry. I want to go eat lunch. We have our idlis here, and apparently all these idlis are in different shapes. Also the paisa, and we are going to be eating in the banana leaf today. Our altar was all set, the candles were all lit up, and we had to say the prayer. After the prayer, this is the paisa that everybody gets in the house, and we eat that. And after eating that, we start with bhojan.
इडली दिने चीटिंग कर रही अब आई टू Tina.
So much chaos in this house.
We are having vanas. Everything is veg.
I'll do chicken leg piece.
Nah.
आंबट मत
Imposter.
Yeah, he put all of it on my plate. My whatever this is.
The banana leaf.
శిలువ మీద ఉన్న ఒక దొంగ
I was having kachamba.
ఈ రాజ్యం
Me taking your what? Samosa. The last dish. D. There kange. Kesha. Where Ali? It's time for lunch.
Right, disaster.
Last. She.
Katana, songa chamaza kanin kai.
So, yeah, you guys, we finished having our food. Lunch is done.
Action.
And I hope you'll got a hang of whatever goes on during this feast. So, with that being said, we're gonna end this vlog and a very happy feast from us to you guys. Bye.
Happy feast.
Zara. Happy feast, son. Happy
Happy
feast.
feast, son.
She didn't bite me.
Camera.
She didn't bite me. She's a good girl.
Papa Zoro. So,